Pa 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 pa. नमस्कार
नमस्ते
नमस्कारा
वणक्कम
खुश आमदीद
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
सत श्री अकाल
మీకు అందరికీ వందనము
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जनेन्द्र
మన ఇస్మాయిల్ భాई बंधुओं को बोलते याली मदद
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मंदिरों को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बंजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं सिर्फ आलतू बाबा
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय सेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो दैट्स गोना मेक योर फ्राइडे वाली शाम थोड़ी और एक्साइटिंग और थोड़ी और मस्तानी वी डोंट नो हाउ लॉन्ग विल हैव दिस बंदजान
हाँ
या
why
I'll tell you why Altu Baba
why फलतनी
we are the authoritarian your supreme leader
हाँ
has now commuted the sentence of Roger Stone. उसका मतलब क्या है तुम जितना भी लोचा करो लाइफ में
हाँ
तुम अगर प्रेसिडेंट के दोस्त हो
हाँ
तो तुम्हें माफी मिलेगी तुम दिन दहाड़े किसी का मर्डर कर दो फिर भी तेरे को माफी मिलेगी
और really
अभी उसने यहाँ तक बोल दिया है पॉल मैनाफोर्ट का सेंटेंस भी कम्यूट होने वाला है
और रियली
हाँ
अरे वो खुद अपने आप को माफ करने वाला था मतलब
हाँ, वो
see
अपने-
I'll tell you Bhanujan a very benevolent merciful leader we have
अयो
what no
be quiet
that's what
man.
the Trumpers are going to be saying that right
seriously
hey I'll tell you
Altu
Faltari there's something to say about this okay I think people who follow Trump are really wonderful people they are believers they believe the second coming has happened right now they believe the second Jesus is born Trump has committed the sentences of all his, fellow cohorts, what do you call them, right? And he's very beneficial, he's very benevolent and is a very merciful leader.
Oh God.
See, that's the thing of a prophet, right?
Oh
Prophet ka wahi hota hai ki they're very benevolent, very, they speak the word of God and everything. So his constituency or his supporters are that way itself, actually. They believe that he is the God.
चल रहने दो आलतू बाबा मेरा ना
अरे टेंशन मत ले
अभी
फातरनी।
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ आया अब भी आया तो मैंने मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया मैंने कहा कि
नहीं,
क्या
नहीं,
हो रहा है यार
नहीं.
seriously.
Fatani, today's show is a very interesting show. Padujan, today we have a tribute show going on today on our Pam Pam show, and this actually is for one of the guys who I think very humble beginnings के साथ शुरू हुआ था उनका.
किसका
जो आज उनका फीचर कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
हाँ.
How about we actually do this? Let's ask our Bandhu if we can identify who this person is.
हाँ.
उनका एक हम लोग गाना लगाए क्लिप लगाए बताओ तू बोलो.
जो तेरे मन में आए
तो मेरे मन में आए. Okay, let's start off with a very popular thing. The new generation know him as of something. The previous generation knows him as something else, and the most oldest generation knows him as somebody else.
right
Right?
Right.
It is actually a bunch of different things. So how about we actually see if we can recognize this person with this particular, I should say, what should I say? Oh, here. Oh, I'm not able to see my screen fully for some reason. Technical difficulties, but as always. Okay, there you go. The screen is being cleared right now. Refreshed. Abhi aa gaya, Faltani aa gaya. So, what I was telling you was, why again? Faltani. Okay, let's play this portion of this particular clip. Okay, I think I have seen this around 75 times. So, मुझे तो actually
75 times तूने देखा है
हाँ ये तो मुझे मनगढ़ हो गया मतलब I already know about this totally I know this particular clip from
मनगढ़ हो गया
मतलब I've totally
oh my god
what
क्या हिंदी बोल रहा है हो
Faltari.
मनगढ़ हो गया वाह
you must know Faltari that I am like very good at all this stuff but let's do this I'm going to play this portion Bhanujan आपको एक clip सुन के बोलना पड़ेगा किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं आज okay
हाँ.
number to call here 408912247 शुरुआत करेंगे उनका एक सबसे popular clip जो I think this particular style of speaking and the mannerism also became very famous and he's remembered even now with that particular clip itself right so who is this person talking about number to call here 408912247 408 9122479 अगर आप Facebook पे तो मैंने already बोल दिया it's a tribute show today for one of the we lost one of Bollywood's favorite darling we lost this week 8th of July I'm a big fan of the family in fact when I say the family I'm talking about the fact that I'm also a big fan of him and also his kids right one of his kids actually Javed Jaffrey I never met the gentleman but I'm a big fan of him ever since he came into television MTV remember Faltani yeah but I'm asking you who this person is talking about इनका नाम बताइएगा number to call you 408912247 and a clip सुनिएगा and let's see if you can identify this okay here you go
कोशिश तो की होगी ना अरे कोशिश ये थी कोशिश जान तोड़ कोशिश करी मगर मैं भागने दूं तब ना एक को दीनी है ना पटखनी कि वो लंबू निकला भागने को मेरे पकड़ के टांग जो खींचिए के जाते किधर हुआ और कस के दो दिए लपाड़े कि चलो थाने बस फिर क्या था पैर पकड़ लिए दोनों ने वीरू और जय ने तुम्हारे पैर पकड़ लिए हाँ मैंने तो सुना बड़े बदमाश है वो अरे भूत बदमाश है मगर हमारा नाम भी सूरमा भोपाली ये भाई नहीं है। अब आप समझो कि पेड़ पका के दोनों रो दिए हैं कि सूरमा भाई माफ कर दो। वो तो मैं माफ कर देता मगर मुझे इस बात पर खुद था कि मेरे इलाके में आ कैसे गए।
फिर क्या हुआ?
अरे फिर होना क्या था, मैं तो स्टिक रखता हूँ। अब जो मैंने पिन फिनाई तो जना सुधाई कर दी। धटा धट बहुत मारा।
फिर क्या हुआ?
बस फिर होना क्या था, मैंने दोनों के पकड़ के गले बांध और मैंने कहा।
क्या कहा?
क्या कहा मैंने कहा कि और कोई खिदमत हो मेरे लायक तो आप बताओ मुझे। अरे मियाँ, आप लोगों को और कोई काम है कि नहीं? दिन भर बैठे रहते हो और 25 झूठ हमसे सुनवाते हो। चलो हाँ काम करो। अरे जाओ भैया, जबरन झूठते रहते हो, जाओ। मैं तो ये भाई मजाक कर रहा था। और हाँ, बहुत जल्दी आप दोनों की छूट हो गई जेल से। ये थे माशाल्लाह, तेहते मेहते तो बड़े मजे की करारी टन हो रही है।
सूरमा भाई।
हाँ भाई।
हम अपने 1000 रुपए लेने आए।
1000 रुपए?
हाँ 1000 रुपए।
अच्छा हाँ 1000 रुपए। अरे वो तो आपकी गिरफ्तारी के दूसरे ही दिन मिल गए थे। वो दिन है और आज का दिन है। लिफाफे में बांध कर जेब में धरे धरे फिर रहे हो। ये देखो 200 के 10 है, गिन लो।
अच्छा सुरमा भाई, फिर मिलेंगे।
You notice one thing? His calculation. 200 के 10 है. Well, Bhajan, who is this particular character we're talking about, and who is the person who has played this character? Now, character का नाम तो मालूम हो गया आपको डायलॉग में कि सुरमा भोपाली है. Right now, I think people might not know this, but इनका नाम तो of course famously known as Jagdeep. Right? But उनका actual original नाम भी कुछ और था.
लंबा चौड़ा नाम है उनका.
Very लंबा चौड़ा नाम है, and of course he is in the industry for ages. Has been in the industry. I should say started with very humble beginnings. And you won't believe this, but Jan, I don't know if you know this or not, but he actually came into industry as a child artist.
Wow.
As a child artist ने entry मारी थी, and well, the thing is, उनके बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी देंगे हम लोग, but of course I want to play some wonderful songs of his also उनके फिल्मों से.
उनके ऊपर फिल्म है क्या गाना?
Yeah, dude, I was actually following his story, right? Because 2 days ago we said that we're going to do a special tribute show for him, right? On 8th of July, we got the sad news. And I was reading up about him, and I didn't know about many of the things. He actually has been in the industry as a child artist. And he's one of the guys who actually came as a child artist, became a hero, and then stepped down to a character artist.
क्या?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then he stuck to comedy actually. Now, इनका comedy का saga जो है ना फालतू, timing and everything, right? It is not from after he became a hero. In fact, his comedy timing actually came in his what do you call that? His talent for comedy, right? It came in, I think, in his early times itself, when he was a kid itself.
Wow.
हाँ, तो Badjan, I'll do this. Let me play for you. You know, well, I already gave the name of the person, right?
Yeah, you did.
I did.
You
So
didn't
what?
give out the full name of the person.
Okay, full name क्या है?
Syed Ishtiaq Ahmad Jafri.
Yes, but this is the father of Javed Jafri. Javed Jafri actually was actually born in Madhya Pradesh. But I think the thing is, I think more than born in Madhya Pradesh, he actually was. His family came to Madhya Pradesh actually. But they came in because of that partition thing which happened in Pakistan, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, one of those people who actually had a very tough beginning.
Yeah.
And he had to actually work at a very young age itself, start working at different odd jobs. For example.
Right.
That was the thing. He actually was one of the product of that exodus which came from the partition, right, to Mumbai. And he actually had a very unfortunate start of his career. And he was started acting at a very young age. He got some good. But good thing was he was very talented. He used to do all these, the what do you call that? The extras roles. He used to do those kind of things.
Wow.
He got recognized one of his roles, one of his performances. He got recognized, and then he actually, if you not seen the movie R Par, I didn't know this actually. I had not even expected him to be the one. R Par, he's one of the guys, one of the kids who was with the Gurudat.
Wow.
Yeah, आर पार film, you remember that taxi driver?
No.
So उसके साथ में एक छोटा बच्चा आता है, वो है, he's the one.
Wow.
Yeah. But definitely a wonderful talent. You'll make out one. He was not the persona which we have as Surma Mapali.
Yeah.
That irritating.
That irritating, yeah.
That is not the way he is.
Really?
Yeah, his acting is awesome. In fact, you should listen to one of his early movies. Here's a nice song I'll play for you, Manajan. It is from the movie called I think Bhabi, where he actually plays the role of a hero. He's acting opposite Nanda, if I'm mistaken, I suppose.
Oh wow.
Right? And this song, some of you will remember this song for sure, but this gaane ko sunte hain, and then we'll come back and talk more about a little bit more about Jagdish Saab, and of course prayers and prayers of strength going out to the family as well.
May
He was
soul
81
rest.
years when he passed on, and he has grandson, great grandson also, who's now entering to the films.
Really?
Yeah, he's been
Oh
lost.
yeah. Javed Jaffri's son entered, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Malang, or what is it? Malal.
Huh?
Malal, right? The film name was Malal.
I don't remember what the name of the movie was. but
Sanjeev
there was-
Bansari.
Oh really?
Malal, yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
But here's a nice song, Rajan, voiced by, of course, Mohammad Rafi Saab, Lata. Movie name is Bhabi. It's a family drama, Rajan, of course. If you haven't seen it, see it's a good movie, I suppose. And इसमें you will see the young Jagdeep, handsome Jagdeep.
पतंग मेरी चली रे चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे चली बादलों के पार होके डोर पे सवार सारी दुनिया ये देख देख जली रे चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे हवा में लहराए जैसे उड़न खटोला उड़ा जाए
यूं मस्त हवा में लहराए जैसे उड़न खटोला उड़ा जाए लेके मन में लगन जैसे कोई दुल्हन चली जाए रे सांवरिया की गली रे चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे
चली बादलों के पार होके डोर पे सवार सारी दुनिया ये देख देख चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे पतंग का धानी है ये नील गगन की रानी बाकी बाकी है उठान है उम्र भी जवान लागे पतली कमर बड़ी बली रे चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे चली बादलों के पार होके डोर पे सवार सारी दुनिया ये देख देख चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे हा हा ये बिजली की तार बड़ी तेज है कटार देगी काट के रख दिल जली रे चली रे पतंग मेरी चली रे
And yes, Baljan, and this is actually opposite this very young Nanda.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's nice.
He's played the role of a hero.
He's done a couple of movies. In fact, I believe that's particular. In those days, right, they used to have these film producers to companies, right? Heroes do not get paid a hero like a remuneration.
Yeah.
They used to have a salary.
Oh wow.
So all those people he's picked up and did a bunch of movies for him.
Wow.
But unfortunately for him, all his movies, none of them became a hit.
Huh.
None of them was save one. Everything else was a flop actually for him.
Wow.
Unfortunately, but it didn't do. When I say flop, it did not do very well in the box office.
Right.
You can imagine him to be a contemporary of the people like Devanand and all those people. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Contemporary. I'm talking about. He would have been a young actor when Devanand already was established.
Okay.
So as in
Got
the
it.
next generation of Devanand, so Devanand was a peak, right? It was like
Right,
he was
right.
ruling because ये film जो है भाभी is a movie which came out in 1957.
Wow.
तो तब से he was a very young actor.
Huh.
You can imagine. I'm saying that गुरुदत्त के time पे उन्होंने एक बच्चे का रोल किया है.
Huh.
Right? And in fact, there was a movie which actually put him in the limelight of people, or rather, लोगों के नजर में डाला ना. That was actually a movie by Bimal Roy. The movie name was Bigha Zameen, Do Bigha Zameen. A very sad movie of, Father, you remember there used to be a time when we had seen matinees when we were very young. This to show this, Mahima ji, just to bring us this movies, like classic movies, dard bhareg movies.
Yeah, and like you can't basically even Roti Kapda or Makan,
Exactly,
like those kind of
like that.
movies, like which is like so sad. Even
Uh,
Avara and those.
To think that time, at that time, Manajan, those were mainstream cinemas.
Well,
आजकल
Alto
उसको हम
Baba-
लोग parallel cinema बोलते हैं. हाँ.
No, Alto Baba, think about it. They actually talked about societal issues.
That's true. And one of the heroes of the movie, of course, at that time, big time hero थे वो नाम क्या था यार?
Balraj Sahni.
Balraj Sahni, yes.
Yeah.
Balraj Sahni was really a very popular actor for that. And you really would feel the pain of the hero and or rather the protagonist over there.
And of course, the heroine was, the person who epitomizes the crying, tattered sari ma.
Oh, really?
Who tears her sari and ties patti. For you, that kind of ma.
Who always stitching everybody's
but-
torn underwear.
Yeah.
Uh,
who's, what? What does she do?
Always keep stitching torn trousers of people.
Yeah, stitching the torn, shirts or whatever, underwear it seems.
What was?
That's
They
Nirupa
always show
Roy.
them stitching something which looks like a pant or something like that.
Nirupa Roy.
Yeah.
She was the heroine of the movie.
Yeah. But Ismail, I got a nice clip where our Jagdeep Shah actually is acted. You can imagine how, in fact, ये देखने लायक होता है ये, लेकिन हम लगाने वाले because you can make out his energy in the acting. And I don't know if you'll recognize the voice because still a young voice, right? लेकिन सुनेगा and you'll actually know why Javed Jaffrey also so talented. Okay?
Yeah,
Here you go.
ले रे कन्हैया, ये 6 पैसे तेरे और 2 पैसे मेरे।
वाह, मैं क्यों नहीं? मेहनत तो तुमने की है।
दू इधर आता, मैं कहता हूँ ले। तू समझ रहा था मैंने तेरा गिरा।
तो Kanhaiya is not him. He's the guy who's giving the paisa. Okay?
Yeah.
I want to give the clarify to this because people think about the other kid's voice is like that. No, it is the other guy who actually is giving him the paisa. Okay, here you go.
मैं कहता हूँ ले। तू समझ रहा था मैंने तेरा गिराक छीन लिया है? अबे तू अनाड़ी है। उस बाबू ने मोजा पहन रखा था। अगर गलती से उसके मोजे पर पालिश लग जाता, तो उसका पैर जीते समय धड़ाम से कपड़े में पड़ता। हाँ। पालिश? मेरे पास काला पालिश नहीं बाबूजी, उसके पास कराई फर्स्ट क्लास पालिश करता है। हाँ बाबू, घर पे का नहीं है, बाबूजी का पालिश का। ओ बाबूजी पालिश, बड़े बाबू, कलकत्ते में आए के पालिश ना कराए के चले नहीं जाना, ओ बाबूजी चले नहीं जाना।
कलकत्ते में आके पॉलिश ना करा के चले नहीं जा. Yeah, it's about everything. There's a comedy in terms of the spoof this to make, right?
Right.
The very famous song. क्या हुआ फालतू? इतना सोच में क्यों पड़ गई suddenly?
कुछ नहीं आलतू बाबा.
क्या रे?
हाँ बोल.
हाँ तो क्या बोल मतलब क्या तू उल्टा मेरे पे डाल दे पूरा. अच्छा, by the way, he actually has told you, right? Young actor and came into the industry as a hero and everything, right? उनका एक और फिल्म है जो एकदम जबरदस्त फिल्म था फालतू वाली. This particular movie was actually where he has acted with a bunch of other people, but he is a little bit grown up from the movie. अभी तो एक बच्चे का ये लगाया था हमने, where he's done a small role of a child, but he's not the main hero of the movie, but he is a part of the movie, right? Integral part of the comedian character of the movie, right? लेकिन एक और फिल्म है जहाँ पे he is the one of the 5 heroes of the movie. It's called हम पंछी एक डाल के फिल्म था उसका. उस फिल्म का एक टाइटल सॉन्ग लगा है. Murjan, enjoy the song. We'll be back right after this. And yes, this is a tribute show given to one of our comedians of our Indian industry who actually started off as
funny man of Indian cinema, जो आलतू ने कहा child artist की तरह शुरू करके. I mean, in fact, to be able to make people laugh, right, Altu Baba? Mahima ji used to say they are the best actors. An actor who can make you laugh can also be somebody who can make you cry.
Yeah, yep.
And He was one of the most talented, character artists of Indian cinema, as you can call him.
That's true. In fact, he was also into physical comedy.
Yeah.
And ये जो physical comedy है इस फिल्म में जो है हम पंछी एक डाल के फिल्म में he actually can actually see this physical comedy as well. Where he actually is a little bit grown up. He's not the teenage, but he actually is the grown up person.
Right.
And it's very nice song. Song सुनिएगा. It's a very nice song picturized on him and the other actors in the movie. This actually is from again 1957 की बात है. This is where he was still getting into the industry as a hero, right?
के लोगों को सुबह झगड़ते देखा है, शाम हुई के घर वही उजड़ते देखा है. अरे बनती नहीं है बात झगड़े से कभी यारो, बनते बनते बात को बिगड़ते देखा है. अरे हम पंछी एक डाल के हम पंछी एक डाल के होए संग संग डोले जे संग संग डोले, संग संग डोले जे संग संग डोले. बोली अपनी अपनी बोले, बोली अपनी अपनी बोले, जी बोले. हाँ संग संग डोले जी संग संग डोले, हम पंछी एक डाल के. दिन के झगड़े दिन को भूले हो, दिन के झगड़े दिन को भूले, रात को सपनों में हम झूले, धरती छाना नीली चदरिया, मीठी नींदें सोले जी सोले. हाँ संग संग डोले जे संग संग डोले, संग संग डोले जे संग संग डोले. बोली अपनी अपनी बोले, बोली अपनी अपनी बोले, जी बोले. हा संग संग डोले जे संग संग डोले, हम पंछी एक डाल के.
And of course, Bhajan, that was a song for you guys from that movie which talked about Hum Panchi Ek Dal Ke. And Smith, of course, he's still entering into the industry, and in the late 50s, he made a bunch of movies where he was the hero, I told you, right? He actually is not only acted opposite...
Even in this, he was a hero?
Hari Baba, in this he was a hero with a bunch of other kids also.
Wow.
But he's the elder one, kind of a thing. Right? And if you want to see a romantic, movie of his...
Romantic? I cannot imagine Surma Bhopali is romantic at all.
Oh, dude, actually he's very handsome. And guess who's acted opposite with? Opposite, who he's acted?
Who?
The Kalia wale mein, Sholay ka. Kalia. His sister. Shobha Khote.
Oh, really? Shubha Khote.
Shubha Khote. Shubha Khote, yes.
Yeah.
So there's one song which I picked up somewhere, okay? It's a very interesting song. Have you heard the statement?
Is this like a second hero or is it a...
In this movie, I think he's the main hero, man.
Oh, wow.
I told you that Barkha film, he actually was acted as a... Barkha is a movie, I suppose, where he acted opposite Nanda. And I don't think of anybody else who's there, but it's actually I have not seen the movie, so I can't comment much about it. but I do know that he is one of the main stars in the movie.
Huh.
He, Nanda would have been introduced, and Shubha Khote would have been one of the senior actors there at that time. And इसमें एक तक वाले में एक कहावत है जो इंडियन मूवीज में यूज करते हैं आजकल की फिल्म में, बॉलीवुड के इंडस्ट्री में मूवी में, कि प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है.
करेक्ट. हाँ, प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है.
Exactly. लेकिन उसमें ये गाना मुझे मिला, which actually is very interesting. Which talks about the same thing. प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है.
Really?
You want to listen to it?
Yeah.
This, of course, our Jagdeep Saab actually is a romantic hero, romancing the heroine. And sung, of course, by, you can't mistake it, right? Rafi Saab.
प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है मेरी जान. प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है मेरी जान. पहली पहली ना का आधा मतलब है हाँ.
पहली पे ना का आधा मतलब है हाँ चीज. My goodness.
है मेरी जान.
यही पे तो मार खा गया इंडिया.
That's true.
इसको बोलते हैं स्टॉकिंग. ना बोले तो ना. No means no.
No is a sentence.
Yeah.
Yeah, we learned it in Pink actually.
No is a statement.
ये रात भी है कुछ आज गर्म, मेरे दिल भर का भी मिजाज गर्म. ये रात भी है कुछ आज गर्म, मेरे दिल भर का भी मिजाज गर्म. हाय क्या कहना, हाय क्या कहना. हुस्न अगर है गर्म तो गर्मा गर्म है इश्क के अरमा. प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है मेरी जान. अरे पहली पहली ना का आधा मतलब है हाँ. प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है मेरी जान. हर दिल का कातिल इश्क इश्क फिर भी है मंजिल इश्क इश्क. हर दिल का कातिल इश्क इश्क फिर भी है मंजिल इश्क इश्क. हाय इश्क इश्क हाय इश्क इश्क. इश्क अगर ना हो तो दुनिया की महफिल है वीरान. प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है मेरी जान. अरे पहली पहली ना का आधा मतलब है हाँ. प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है मेरी जान. दिल आता है बस एक बार फिर क्यों ना कर ले प्यार प्यार. दिल आता है बस एक बार फिर क्यों ना कर ले प्यार प्यार. बस एक बार हाय प्यार प्यार. अरे डाल के आंखें आंखों में मुझे प्यार से कह दे बलवा. प्यार किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है मेरी जान.
When I'm watching the movies, right, I never knew about this particular movie of his, right? But I realized that his dancing style and everything, right? You could say actually is pretty much like Kishore Kumar.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's very graceful. And he's got all the comical things of that, right? But his dance is actually very graceful, unlike Kishore Kumar.
You know, some of the comedians are really, really awesome dancers.
Oh, yeah. And Surama Bapali actually, why does... Okay, the new generation knows him as Surama Bapali because I watched this particular movie of his. Sholay 75 times.
Surma Bhopali, but he became popular through Brahmachari, right? The role that he played.
Yeah.
Murli Manohar.
But if you don't know about the movie, that song, I have a clip also for that particular movie, Murli Manohar.
Oh, really?
Should I play that? No.
It's your call if you want to.
No. I think we're coming. No one. Let's play that movie. It's a Murli Manohar ka ek clip hai, wherein
he's with Shammi Kapoor, right?
He's not with Shammi Kapoor in this clip though. But the movie Brahmachari, of course, as you guys know, Shammi Kapoor started there.
Yeah.
And he had a parallel track of his going over there automatically.
Oh.
That's true.
So इस क्लिप को सुनते हैं बंदजन. इसके बाद एक और ब्यूटीफुल गाना है उनका, उन पे फिल्माया गया. I think he's a hero in that also, right?
Yes, yes. In this, of course, wait, this is not Brahmachari.
Was it?
Yeah. This such a clip is which I have is not from Brahmachari. I think I should take the Brahmachari one actually, which is Jagdeep is there in that. So here you go. Brahmachari from. Sorry, Brahmachari clip ka. Sorry, I was playing the wrong clip. Fatwani. I know you're right, but I picked the wrong clip actually.
Well, he became quite popular. Like, you know, the one thing about him, Banajan, is वो ना हम लोग आजकल बोलते हैं वो ये मेथड एक्टर हैं. अगर आपको मेथड एक्टर का मतलब मालूम नहीं है, वो क्या कहते हैं, वो मेथड से स्टडी करते हैं कि एक जो कैरेक्टर निभा रहे हैं वो लोग, उसके क्या मैनरिज्म्स होंगे, वो बाल ऐसे कोम कर रहा होगा, वो आंखें उसकी नज़रिया आई मीन यू नो वो ऐसी होगी, उसके चाल चलन ऐसे होंगे. द होल थिंग दे गेट इनटू द कैरेक्टर. So if you remember, the reason we've been referring to him so much is Surma Bhopali, because that stuck with us, right? And he wasn't, you know, in fact, the people who wrote Sholay, Salim Javed Saab, they were the ones who actually worked with him apparently. They both are from Madhya Pradesh too. So they worked with him and they like... taught him to perfect the Bhopali accent. And then it seems he's a master of improvisation, and I think that comes down even to Javed Jafri. You can actually see how witty he is. So and that particular thing he वो improv में उनके mannerisms और cadence जो है character के लिए he brought completely new life to the character. So likewise this Murli Manohar character from Brahmachari became very very popular because of the mannerisms. So here you go.
आज सुबह मैंने उनसे एक साड़ी की फरमाइश की है.
अच्छा, तुम वो भी साड़ी लेकर आ रहे हैं? और मैं भी साड़ी लेकर आया हूँ. आज का दिन बड़ा शुभ मालूम होता है. आज मैं तुम्हारे पिताजी से जरूर कह दूंगा कि बस अब मुझसे इंतजार नहीं होता. मेरे दिल में जो आग भड़क रही है उसे सिर्फ आपकी बेटी ही बुझा सकती है. मैं कहूंगा चंचल के पिताजी, आप अपनी चंचल को इस मुरली की मधुर मधुर तान के ऊपर मचलने दीजिए.
बाबूजी आगे.
चंचल दरवाजा खोलो. इनके खटखटाने से मालूम होता है कि इनका मूड बड़ा खराब है. आज का शुभ दिन अशुभ होता जा रहा है. मैं फिर कभी आऊंगा.
यही तो मौका है.
अरे तो फिर क्या करूं? ऐसा करो, मुझे कहीं छुपा दो और तुम मामले को जरा नरम करो. उसके बाद तो होने वाले ससुर और दामाद मिल ही जाएंगे. अच्छा. अरे क्या कर रही हो अंदर?
बड़ी देर लगा दी बाबूजी.
मैं आ गया यही शुक्र समझो. मालूम है 1000 की जमानत पर छूट कर आया हूँ. एक बदमाश ने मुझे अंदर करवा दिया था. वो क्या, पहले एक सुअर गाड़ी में आके बैठा, आगे जाके दूसरा गाड़ी में बैठा. उसकी सूटकेस में दारू थी. पुलिस के सामने वो दोनों कुत्ते एक हो गए और मैं अंदर हो गया. वो पहला आदमी अगर मुझे मिले तो मैं उसकी टायर पंचर कर दूंगा, मैं उसका पिस्टन तोड़ दूंगा, मैं उसकी बैटरी हमेशा के लिए डाउन कर दूंगा.
लेकिन बाबूजी आप तो मेरे लिए साड़ी खरीदने गए थे.
साड़ी की भी तो चोरी. हाँ, ये साड़ी तुम्हारे पास कहाँ से आ गई?
बाबूजी आपको याद है मैंने मुरली के बारे में आपसे जिक्र किया था. उसी ने मुझे ये साड़ी दी है मेरे बर्थडे पे.
मुरली, उसको ऐसी मूछें हैं. कहाँ है वो? है कि भाग गया?
जी अंदर बैठा है आपसे मिलने के लिए.
उसे मिलने के लिए? तो जाओ बेटी, उसे बाहर ले आओ. मैं उस मुरली की तान सुनना चाहता हूँ.
And this Murli is Jagdeep.
Yeah.
चलो मैंने बाबूजी से सब बात कर ली है.
अच्छा, लेकिन डार्लिंग मेरी बाईं आंख फड़क रही है. मैं समझता हूँ कि शादी की बातचीत हम लोग अगर कल परसों करें तो क्या हर्ज है? आज हमारे सितारे कुछ गर्दिश में है. मैं जोशी से मिलके कल परसों शादी की बात तय कर लूंगा.
चलते हो कि नहीं?
अच्छा डार्लिंग, तुम कहती हो तो चलता हूँ. ए मुरली मनोहर, इस मुरली की रक्षा करना. चलो.
बाबूजी ये है मुरली. आप दोनों आपस में बात कीजिए, मैं चाय लाती हूँ.
आपसे मिलकर बड़ी खुशी हुई, लेकिन इस वक्त मैं जरा जल्दी में हूँ. फिर कभी आऊंगा.
बेटा जरा नैन से नैन तो मिला.
नैन तो फिर गए हैं.
अरे अब तो तेरे दिन भी फिर गए हैं. हाँ, तो तू ही है वो मुरली.
अरे मैं तो आपका सेवक हूँ, लेकिन इस वक्त मैं आपका मेहमान हूँ.
मेहमान? अरे मेहमान की खातिर करना मैं अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ.
Well, of course, he gets beat up by the guy already. But the thing is, the movie is very interesting. I've seen Brahmachari though.
I haven't seen it.
I have seen it. I've seen it.
Shoot, I should have watched
Matinee
it.
watching Faltu Rani. Next matinee watch is got to be Brahmachari for you.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Well,
Yeah.
okay, we're coming to the close of the show already, and today is a tribute show for the late Jagdeep ji, who we all know as Surumo Bhali, who actually gave us wonderful movies, and he started off as a child artist, became a hero, then gradually entered into a character role or a comedian role kind of a thing.
Right.
Lekin, we will sign off with this wonderful song today, which actually is a beautiful song for one of his movies where he was a hero in that.
Yes.
And I will mess up the name pronunciation of the movie. What movie is again? Punarjanam, right?
पुनर्मिलन
Punarmilan.
पुनर्मिलन
See, I told
मूवी
you.
से गाना बजाएंगे बिलजान, लेकिन ये बताना चाहते हैं कि वाह काफी रंगीले इंसान थे वो.
Yes.
और ये तूने 3 शादियां किया.
Yes,
बाबा.
एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन and सब
तीन.
तीनों शादी में से he's got kids.
He's got kids from each one of them. So anyway, may his soul rest in peace. Jagdish Saab, this is a beautiful song that we're going to leave you with that he has acted in. Mohammad Rafi Saab ने गाया है इस गाने को. From the movie Punarmilan. May his soul rest in peace. And इसी के साथ अनुजम, we're going to say that we will be out tonight. We'll be back tomorrow with the Bay Area Buck Buck. Stay tuned for Mahima's Anmol Nagme in the next hour. Good night, Shabba Khair and a प्यार भरा.
भी आ गई हो तो टल जाएगी, पास बैठो तबीयत बहल जाएगी, मौत भी आ गई हो तो टल जाएगी.